help?
You
Can you
bitch
help
on
me out?
the way. Baby, come on. Why are you doing this? You're ruining our freaking marriage, man. Oh.
Let's get this
No. What are you doing? No, not the hair tie. What are you doing, baby? Oh my God. I can't wait to show this to your mother when I catch you guys in the act. You bastards. I can't. Who is this guy? Who is this? Oh my God, no way.
Oh, get that now, that's it. That's it.
so big.
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Really messy, sorry.
I don't have energy for this. I can't believe it. I'm moving out tomorrow. I'm showing this to your entire family.
Keep going. Don't get tired.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, I know this is awkward, but like, can you help me out? This job for two people. I don't know. Come on. If I should.
Come on, please.
Come on, please help me.
You have to be kidding me.
Is this okay?
I have to
But
go
I
out.
hope if you just go harder.
Who is this
That's
guy?
it.
I need to see.
I said you're doing great. Keep going.
What do you mean? You are.
That's it. Keep
God.
going.
I can't believe. I can't
We
wait to
gotta
see your
hurry
mom's
up,
face.
guys.
I can't wait to see your
It's
mom's
so awkward if
face.
someone came in.
Oh my God. What are you doing, Amanda? What is up with you? I have to come
I'm
out.
almost done. That's it.
I have to come out. Who are these people? I am coming out. Are you?
Hey, hello? What? No, not really.
How many people are in this house?
Bro, this is so embarrassing.
I knew something like this was happening. Yo, I've seen this on like the internet.
No way.
What?
I know how to help.
Yeah?
Can I help?
I guess, yeah.
Sure, just let me help.
Alright, cool. Thanks, bro.
Oh no, stop it. Stop it.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
Oh, you spit on me, you spit on the air. Not me. Oh,
This is, I can't, just can't.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
I can't.
It's in your hair.
Why you're
Always
so
really messy.
messy?
I know, my knees are
Amanda, I swear I never saw this coming.
Get in the pillow. Get comfortable.
When I said I loved you till death do us part,
first rodeo.
I didn't think that this
Oh
would
my
happen.
God. I've always wanted to do this, you know. I've seen the videos online on how they do it, and you know what? I think I can do it like a pro. But you know what?
Okay.
What? No, this, no.
Hey, calm down.
Close the door.
I know.
Yeah, I need some help.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need some help.
Strong hands.
Yeah.
Bro, my arm's hurting already. Do you want to swap with me? Swap with me? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's nice.
Oh my God, he's right.
See, that's how you do it. Oh, you've done this before, bro.
Get right in there.
It's sticky.
It
It's
is.
sticky, bro.
Ow, not that hard.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Slow down.
I'm sorry.
Okay, wait, maybe if we go in tandem, like, I'll go first, one, then you go. Like, everyone gets a stroke.
All right.
Yeah?
I think
One
yeah.
stroke each.
Maybe, yeah.
Me, you.
I guess.
Okay.
Oh, this is wild, bro.
I'm gonna spin a bit more on it.
Yeah, go on.
Oh.
Is, you call that spit? Watch this.
That's disgusting.
Now that is spit. That was a lot.
That was
It's
a
helping.
lot.
It's helping,
It's
right?
helping, it's
See, look at that lubrication.
How long are you taking,
Mixing
buddy?
in. It's making it.
How long are you
Oh,
taking,
that really
buddy?
helps. Oh,
Are you almost done?
Just
I feel like
finish.
Are you almost done? When are you gonna be finished? Is it nearly done?
I'm getting there. It's just, it always...
Girls, you guys are the pros. Is it nearly done?
Kinda.
Alright, we're
A
getting
little bit
there.
harder.
We're getting there.
Look,
Trying
this,
Out
really
of
hard.
control.
this doesn't always happen to me, by the way. Like,
Just-
I'm,
We're not gonna give up. We're gonna.
yeah, keep going.
As a
keep going.
unit. Yeah.
Together.
Yeah.
We gotta finish
I
it.
can't take this anymore. I'm coming out. Yo, hey, what's going on here?
Huh?
Oh,
What are you doing?
So weird.
I
am
am.
under the bed.
You have no idea what this looked like for like the past
Like
4
somebody
minutes.
Trying to clean
Why
his
were you down
shirt.
for 4 minutes?
If you saw what I saw, you would be freaking out. I swear to God, I thought you were cheating on me, baby.
You don't trust me at all.
You have to see this video.
You don't trust me at all.
That's just
No. If you saw what I saw,